Hello, social studies teacher friends. This quick video is to tell you how to do the hands-on branches of government floor-sized connections puzzle. That's a really long name for just a quick connections puzzle that's going to get your students moving and allow them to sit on the ground and arrange the pieces. Definitely will want to do this in groups because the puzzle can get a little bit on the large side. It's not huge. I'm going to tell you how to create the puzzle first, and then I will show you a time lapse of my personal fifth grader completing the puzzle on the floor so you can get an idea of how it looks when it's completed. So first thing, the puzzle is 18 pages, and it's not a traditional puzzle where the pieces all fit together. It's a puzzle in that they have to take all of the parts of the branches of government and put them into the correct places. So you can have students cut apart the half pages. Some of the pages are half pages. You can cut those ahead of time if you need to save a little time while you're working with the kids. You can use colored paper if you want. I just use white paper. If I need the paper to be a little more sturdy, you can use cardstock. So step one, they are going to arrange the two title pages where they want the very top of their puzzle to be. So it's 2 pages, branches of, and then government. And then they will arrange the 3 branch signs under the title. So legislative, executive, judicial. They'll want to keep a little extra space for legislative because you'll have the 2 houses of Congress. I do have cards for those that they will add. And I usually will have the kids do those out to the side to save some space. Next, they are going to arrange under each branch, they're going to put the card that tells what each branch or who leads each branch. So Congress leads this branch, Supreme Court leads this branch, the president leads this branch. Next, they are going to arrange the various roles of each branch. There are more than just these 3. These are just 3 examples. There are several different roles that each branch has. So they're just going to arrange these under each branch sign. And then, like I said before, the legislative branch has some special cards because the legislative branch is made up of 2 houses. And I need students to understand the difference between the House of Representatives and the Senate. So they will arrange those separately next to the legislative branch. And then finally, these are the connections or checks and balances among the branches. Each branch has some power over the other 2 branches. So students will use these arrow signs to be able to show, take for example, this first one here. Congress may impeach or bring charges of wrongdoing against this branch. So, of course, Congress can impeach or bring charges of wrongdoing against the leader of the executive branch. So they would have their arrow pointing from the legislative branch to the executive branch. And because there are multiple arrows, they can be creative with where they put the arrows. They can do them at the bottom, the middle, the top, just as long as the branch that has the power is pointing at the branch that they have the power over. Okay, so enjoy watching the time lapse in this next little section. And in the printables, you'll see an answer key that has the entire puzzle all complete, and you can see where everything goes.